Hello, everyone. I'm Brogan Farron, an ICD volunteer and the conference chair for the 2022 ICD Conference. Today, we are here with Ms. Tiffany Blassingame, one of our presenters in the conference in Chicago on the 21st through the 24th of September. Welcome, Tiffany.
Thank you for having me.
You have some personal experiences that brought you to this industry and also to founding the Ferguson School. Can you give us a little bit more about that or some insight on that?
Yeah, so when you were stating different things about me, I was like, oh, like I do a lot. So I am a trained educator. I've been in education for a little over 20 years now. And I started working in public schools, all different areas, so rural schools, urban, suburban. I've kind of been everywhere. And then I moved to the private school sector, and particularly working with gifted students and in the area of gifted education, and then twice exceptional students, and realizing some of the disparities between our gifted or 2E students of color and our dominant majority group of gifted students, and what that looked like, what it was like to support families and helping families to recognize different strategies that they could put in place to support their child, even if it wasn't something that they were used to, part of their cultural norms. And that's how I was led to this area of working with student organizing and working with the chronic disorganized student or students and families. And with all of that, I also have a 17-year-old son, and trying to help him find the right learning environment and what that looked like as a Black male, Black son. It might have been a great learning environment, but it wasn't a good social environment for him. And so that's how I was led to start the Ferguson School. While he's too old to go to the Ferguson School now, like we're still figuring it out. I wanted parents to have a place where they didn't worry about their culture being left out of the curriculum, or not being in a diverse classroom, a good quality classroom. And how do we make private school affordable for students of color or people of low socioeconomic families? So that's where I am.
Well, thank you so very much for giving us some insight onto what we can expect when we get to Chicago. Your presentation is on the 23rd of September at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you so much for allowing me to share, Brogan.
Thank you, Tiffany. Appreciate it.